Okay, now we are going to find the same, we're still on that option ARM loan, and now we're going to find numbers 10 through 12. So now for number 10, we're doing a 30-year loan, but now we're doing interest only. And we'll talk about what that means in just a second. Our interest rate here is still going to be the same percentage that it was. Give me just a second to look for that. And that percentage is 5.5%. Now you can't see that here, so you'd have to look at your paper. You need to have your paper out in order to do this. We're still borrowing $250,000, just like we did in the previous problem. And we're going to find our payment, but there's one key difference. Our future value is not going to be zero. It is going to be $250,000. In other words, we are only paying interest, and that is what zero amortization means. It means there's been zero change here. Okay, so I make $250,000 my future value and my present value for 30 years at an interest rate of 5.5, and I find my payment, and my payment is $1,145.83. Okay, that's number 10. Number 11 asks, what am I going to owe after 5 years? Well, let's change into 5 years in our calculator. 5 second in, and then let's compute the future value, and you find out, oh, wait a second, I owe $250,000. Well, of course you do. This is an interest-only loan. You have paid no principal. So now we're going to move forward for number 12, and we're going to recast it for 25 years at an interest rate of the same 5.5%. But remember that when we recast, one thing is going to change. So we still owe $250,000. Going to find the payment, but now the future value is zero. This is regular amortization. Okay? Now, when we do that, we make our future value zero. Give me just a second to get my calculator caught up. And we do 25 years. Now we find out that our payment now is going to go up to $1,535.22. A pretty sizable jump up, and that's what happens if you choose to pay the interest-only payment in this specific loan scenario.